This is the HEST Camp Pillow. It's portable, personal, comfortable, and durable, and ready to join you on your next adventure. It's simple to use and packed full of features that are all focused on one thing: maximizing comfort for your head and neck wherever you roam. The Camp Pillow is offered in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. For our travel neck pillow design, check out the Pro Travel Pillow. Here's the medium camp pillow packed in travel mode. Using it is incredibly easy. Start by unzipping the top zipper labeled Unzip Me. As the dirt and water-resistant cover opens, you'll see the clean sleeping surface inside. Give the pillow a shake and a fluff, and the shredded memory foam will take its shape. Zip the top zipper closed, add a HEST pillowcase if you desire, and hit the sack. To store the pillow, simply unzip the top zipper and pull open the 2 sides. Guide the pillow's bulk back into the cover. Don't be afraid to use a little oomph. The foam blend is resilient and can be compressed for long periods without compromising performance. Once most of the pillow is back in the cover, use one hand to hold the pillow in place and the other to zip it back up. Ta-da! Your pillow is now ready to hit the road and travel mode, with the sleeping surface protected against dust, dirt, and germs. If you'd like to adjust the fill for a softer or firmer pillow, it's easy to do. Simply unzip the top zipper and open the 2 sides. You'll find a secondary zipper on one side that allows access to the liner. Pull the liner out and unzip it. Here, you can remove foam for a softer pillow, or if you prefer a firmer pillow, contact us at info@hest.com and we'll send you more fill, free of charge.